we're getting close to it a few times. We need to try and break above it before we can have the next run up. So we are trading sort of sideways consolidating with a view to potentially either break below the 45.18 or that.
Before we get started, just a quick disclaimer. The content on this channel is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial advice, and I am not a licensed financial advisor. Everything shared in this video is based on personal opinion, research, and experience. So please do your own research and consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions. Investing involves risk, and you could lose money. By watching this video, you agree that you are responsible for your own financial choices. With that said, let's get into the video.
Hello and welcome back to Bull and Bear Hunter. Today we are looking at the gold chart for the week to see how it's performed and potentially where it could be going this coming week. So what we're looking at here is the monthly view, just to see what we've done so far and any changes to the charts and the lines that we've put in. As we can see, we are still in this top area, just consolidating. So let's go into the daily view. We can start to get an idea of what's happened over the week and where we could be potentially heading. Okay, so as we can see, we are still within the bigger parallel channel, which is this one here. So we've got the top area of the parallel channel and we've got the bottom area of the parallel channel. We then had the smaller parallel channel within the big parallel, which we traded in for a little bit, and now we've broken it. So we are now consolidating below the 64.57 sort of region, 46.61, that sort of area. So let's just go into the 1 hour. As we can see, the smaller parallel channel where we've broken below it. We had a little bit of support around that 46.60 region. We built a little bit of consolidation, but we couldn't hold it and we've dropped below it. Now we are sort of coming back to the underneath of that area here, which is that 46.60. We're getting close to it a few times. We need to try and break above it before we can have the next run up. So we are trading sort of sideways consolidating with a view to potentially either break below the 45.18 or that 4,500 area. Like I said, we do need to break the 46.60 and build a base above it before we can head towards the 48.90 and 4900. So for now, let's put some lines in here so that we know where our supports are. So I'm gonna just go around this area here, which is, let's go back to the 45. There you go, 45. I believe we'll have a nice support around the 45 on gold. So we'll just keep an eye on that. So let's delete this. Okay. And then what we'll do is let's put the note on here on 45. Support 45 0. Apply. There we go. So let's just keep an eye on that. This resistance line is coming downwards. Let's have a look. There's a There we go. So that joins onto there. So you can see it was underneath it, went above it. We couldn't hold it. Back underneath it, but now we've come back to the top of it, and we've got a slight resistance, support on the 45.60. So let's see what happens. Gonna get above it and then start trading from there. So let's just have a look at the 10 minutes just to see if there's anything we should be paying attention to. So as we can see here, we are pretty much within the range. So we're trading from this top area here, 46.60, and potentially to the 45. So let's see if we can break out this range, and then we can go from there next week. So let's just have a look at the daily again, just to finish off with. There we go. So all we're gonna do, we'll keep an eye on everything that's going on, and let's see where we end up next week. And that concludes the chart of gold for this week. If you like what you are watching, please support the channel. If you can like, share, subscribe, share, and leave your comments, this will help the channel to grow. Speak soon. Thank you. Bye bye.